Hi, I'm Paul Tethey and welcome to Advanced Careers. At Advanced Careers, we provide you with the skills, knowledge and experience you need to be successful in your chosen career. For the first 45 days, everything is class-based and you will learn the skills and the knowledge that you need to be successful in your chosen career. After you finish the class-based training, you're then invited onto the work experience program, which is an internship that lasts for 3 months. And over those 3 months, you can put the skills and knowledge that you've learned during your class-based training into practical use. So we've partnered with a third party who have provided us with a series of projects that will allow you to put what you've learned into practice. Upon completing the internship program, you'll then be in a better position to create a CV and professional profile. At Advanced Careers, we can help you with that too. So we can help you build the perfect CV and help you build your LinkedIn profile. In addition to your CV and professional profile, we can help you and coach you with interviews. Our success can be measured by the number of students that have come through our program. As you can see, most of our students have secured their first role within 3 to 6 months of completing the program. So far, we've had a 70% success rate. But don't listen to me, listen to some of our testimonial videos provided by our students. So if you want to take a positive step to securing your next role or even changing your career, why not sign up today and take advantage of our special offer? Thank you.